Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Sign into Settings and tap your name to confirm the organizer Apple ID. Once done, make sure the Apple Music subscription is active on that account. Next, check every family member is signed into iCloud with a valid Apple ID, because family sharing links purchases and subscriptions to those ID. Finally, open family sharing and verify Apple Music appears under shared subscriptions. If it doesn't, don't panic, move to account-level fixes now. Now dig into device and account mismatches that commonly block sharing. Update iOS or Mac OS to the latest release and reboot devices, because system updates resolve many auth bugs. If problems persist, sign out of the Apple ID on the affected device and sign back in. Then toggle the iCloud Music Library or Sync Library setting to refresh entitlements. Also verify each family member's country or region matches the organizer, because differing stores can prevent sharing. Change region only if needed and cancel conflicting personal subscriptions. Finish by rebuilding the family link when fixes fail. Remove the affected member from family sharing, wait a minute, then re-invite them so Apple's servers reapply permissions. Once they accept, confirm Apple Music access. If you still see entitlement or playback errors, collect device diagnostics and contact Apple support so they can inspect your account state. One key troubleshooting trick: test the flow by creating a temporary family group with a spare Apple ID. If that works, the problem
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.